Good evening, this is Ashish here, session number UR15CR038. Today I'm going to show you the experiment number 6 of compiler, that is single pass assembler for SIC. The aim of this experiment is to simulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instructional computer. So here's the program for experiment number 6. I have created a package experiment number 6. I have imported some Java files, that is import java.io.bufferreader, bufferwriter, filewriter, .io exception hash table. I have created a class experiment number 6 compiler, and this main function have throws the exceptions. For I've defined hash table op is equal to ready op table, then hash table sym is equal to new hash table of size 30, then buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader, new file reader. I have given this is the location for the input text file. Buffer reader write is equal to new buffer writer, new file writer. This is input. This is the location for enter text file. Then a string line and title I have declared int location counter is equal to 0, start is 0. I have initially initialized that. Then I have given the condition while line is equal to buffer reader dot read line is not equal to null. Then if line contains start, the string c will be new string of 10. Then c is equal to line dot split and title is c of 0. If c dot length is equal to 3, start is equal to integer dot pass int c of 2 comma 16, location counter is start, else start is equal to 0 and location counter will be start, and write will be line. Else if not equal to line dot contains end, then location counter is pass one symbol update line op table symbol table location counter and write. Else if line contains end, then write dot wr dot write will be integer to hex string location counter and line. Int length is equal to location counter minus start, location counter is start, br dot close, wr dot buffer reader dot close, write dot close. Buffer reader br1 is equal to new buffer reader, new file reader, that is the location for enter text file. While line is equal to br1 dot read line not equal to null, if line contains start, it will print h to hex 6 integer to hex integers start to 6 integer, and then else if line contains end, system out it will print e to 6 integer to hex string start, else location counter is equal to pass 2 line op table symbol table location counter is start and br1 dot close. Private static string to 6 string word is for int x is equal to word dot length x is less than 6 x plus plus word count is 0 and it will return the word. And private static int pass 2 is a string line hash table op table hash table symbol table int location counter int start string object is equal to t to 6 integer dot to hex string location counter and 03 it will be printed. Then string c is equal to line dot split. If op table dot contains key c of 1, then object code is equal to object code plus 26 op dot get c of 2 and integer to hex string integer is symbol dot get c of 3. Then symbol table will print object code will be printed, and else if line contains reserve word, location counter will be incremented by 3 into integer of parse int c of 3. Else if location line contains reserve byte, then location counter will be incremented into integer dot parse int c of 3. Else if line contains word, then object code is equal to object code plus 26 and the location counter will be incremented to 3 and it will print the object code and it will return the location counter. Private static int pass one symbol update is string line hash table of symbol table int location counter buffer reader throws exception. Then string c will be line split, and if op table contains c of 0 and if c of 1 matches a to z, then if not equal to symbol contains c of 1, then symbol dot put will be c of 1, else it will print the label already existed and it will write integer to hex string dash to the line, else it will print invalid label name and location counter will be incremented to 3. Else if c of 1 will be dot equals to the word and it will write int hex counter, location counter will be printed and symbol dot put will be c of 0 and location counter will be incremented to 3. Else if C of 1 equals to reserve word, then it will write integer to hex string line and symbol dot put will be C of 0 and location counter. Location counter will be incremented and incremented by 3 into integer dot pass in C of 2. Else if C of 1 dot equals reserve byte, then it will write the integer to hex string and symbol dot put will be incremented. Location counter will be integer pass and C of 2 and it will return the location counter. Private static hash table ready op table throws exception. Then hash table will be new op will be new hash table. Then buffered reader will be this is the op table that you can be readed, and string line, each line will be readed, and if line is not equal to null, then string C will be split and op table dot put will be C of 0 and integer dot passing will be C of 1 and br dot close and return the op table. So this is the program for experiment number 6, and here are 3 files that has been created. That is enter we are like first file is like input. So input, we have given some input: copy start 1000, LDA alpha, STA beta. Alpha reserve word is 1, beta reserve word is 1, and this is enter is copy start 1000 address, something is given, load accumulator alpha to the accumulator, store beta, and all the address will be given. And this is the third file, that is sta23 and lda00. This is the op table that has been given. So while we run this program, so here is the output that has been h to copy to the location. This is the file name, the starting location, and then end to the 1000. This is the address. So that's all for the experiment number 6. Thank you.